Hi, this is the Home River Group, and I'm here at 579 Waylend Drive. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the Ivywood Subdivision. I'm going to start off here by showing you this closet that we have right off from the main entrance. Coat closet there. Then continuing, we have the stairs right there to go downstairs, and we'll go down there in a minute. But first I'm going to show you the rest of the upstairs. We have lots and lots of natural lighting in this home. Beautiful natural lighting. Got a nice dining area over here. And then we have our kitchen. Our kitchen has stone countertops and dark wood stained cabinetry. Over here we've got a nice pantry with plenty of storage space. And then just off to the left here, we have our laundry room with washer and dryer hookups. Some nice storage space overhead, as well as a nice countertop for folding. Okay, and then just right here between the kitchen and the laundry room, we have our man door to our garage. This is a 2-car garage. And continuing through the upstairs, we'll go ahead and head down the hallway here. And just off to the left of the hall, we have our master bedroom. Coming into the master bedroom, we'll go ahead and take a look first at that bathroom. And then we also have a nice large walk-in closet in that master bedroom. Leaving the master bedroom, just off to the left here, we have our main bathroom for the home. And then at the end of the hall here, we have 2 separate bedrooms. We'll go into the one on the left first. Take a quick look in here. And now we'll go into the one on the right. The right and left bedrooms are pretty similar, just mirror images. And then just across from the bathroom, we do have a closet here for towels or linens, whatever you'd like. All right, and that is the upstairs. So now we're gonna go ahead and head downstairs. So upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And then in our downstairs, we have 1 finished bedroom, and the remainder of the basement is unfinished. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that finished bedroom first. And this bedroom has a large walk-in closet as well. along with a nice little shelf there for any other things you might want to store in the room. And that is it for the finished portion of the house, but I will give you a quick peek here at the unfinished basement. That is our unfinished basement. So again, this is 579 Waylend Drive in the Ivywood Subdivision. This is the Home River Group. Thanks for watching.